Guys, this is the cooking area, and there is four options called develop, worker, storage and cook. You can, by clicking the worker, you can change the worker. And this is the storage. Clicking on, there are four options in the cooking: mushrooms, gopher, wheat bread and pumpkin soup. Click on the cook. You can't cook without a cook. Sorry, there is no cook. Cooking is going on. So you get a doubt, right? Where are these mushrooms, gophers and wheat bread? I'll show you. So guys, this is the mushroom box where you can fertilize or demolish. See, option I'm showing: fertilize. And this is a gopher. What is this? One second. Using this equipment, you can catch the rats or trap. Done. Next, if you don't want any, if you can demolish also. See, click on that, demolish. So box will demolish. And next, this is the research area, and I am assigning the worker. I am assigned the worker, and you can research on any of the things. Currently this work has been researched. Why you require research, I'll tell you later once you complete the video. And this is the power generator, and you can assign the worker. Click on rapid button to generate electricity. So coal has been completed. I'm adding the coal and I'm generating the electricity. Sorry, it is showing that after 2 seconds only you can generate the electricity, rapid electricity. Meanwhile, you can generate normal electricity. Okay, we'll see this later after 2.5 minutes. And this is the training area where you can train the people. See, click on the train. Currently the training is going on. See, currently the training is going on. This is the gym area. You can train anyone. Till now, cooking area, train area, gym, research, these things have been completed. And this is called gopher wheel, where you can generate electricity. See, by supplying the rats. It is showing, see, it here 0.32 seconds to supply the gophers. Once the rat has been supplied, I will show you this thing. and this is my farm area. I don't want this, so I'm demolishing it. Next, this is the coinery area which generates coins. These are the quarters where people can stay or take rest. See, the rat is running and it's generating electricity. This is called gopher wheel. And this is one of the mine named Stone Quarry. Once the mining completed, you can receive the mined items have been received, and you can assign workers or you can remove workers. See, I am removing 2 workers and this is one mining area. This is infirmary where you can heal the persons. See, done. Next, this is command center area. This is a capacitor room. This is one of the quarters. And this is one more control center. You can fertilize, you can irrigate, and you can assign the worker. See, these are the options. And this is a warehouse which stores materials. So for water requirement, see, I think it's full, so that's the reason why. And this is one more mine. This is coal mine. Same, on clicking on that mine, you can assign and you can remove the workers. This thing also have completed. And this is also one more mine. This is stone mine. That is coal mine, it is stone mine. Same, you can also assign and you can remove. And this is the complete overview. You can see 3 mines, lab, farm area, electricity area, gym area, quarters. And you get a doubt, right? The collected coal, collected stone and collected coins, what to do? Simple, you can go ahead and you can trade here. You can sell and you receive the amount, price. Next, and you can see zombies, right? In order to prevent zombies entering our house, here is a gun. Currently some issue is going on, and in order to rescue the people, using this vehicle. See, dispatch. And guys, this is the overview. Please share, comment, and give me some ideas. It's a new channel. Bye guys.